Today, we have two objectives. One, I'm gonna dry out my gloves because yesterday it was pouring and I got water all over. Now that stung. But what the real thing, ooh, hi cops. What the real thing is, what's gonna be going on is get the lookout tower, dry out my gloves, I'm gonna go on the highway. I have not gone on the highway for this, and I don't really want to because I want to be able to listen to music while I'm riding. So instead, I'm going to be taking the no highway route. Thankfully, Google Maps has that wonderful option. Thank you, Google Maps. Speaking of maps, I hate Apple Maps. I have always had issues with it. Anytime anyone has ever said, "Oh, don't worry, you just take this Apple pin drop," I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. It always brings me somewhere where I don't want to go. Is that a KLR? Oh, it is. Ooh. What's up, man? Ooh, it said TRD. No, it's just an XSE. I like that green. I've never seen a Mustang like that. It actually looks pretty damn good. 268. That's actually pretty good. Damn, today's a good day. They said it was gonna rain today, and I was pretty bummed, but it was kind of giving me a good day to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, my editing software. But also, by the way, shout out to DaVinci Resolve. That shit is easy. They said it had a learning curve, which luckily I kind of had a background in editing, and it's decently easy to learn. I've just been watching some tutorial videos, and it's been making life so much easier than trying out. I tried this one editing software called Moto. And damn, that shit sucked, dude. Movavi stank. I put in my quality, my video quality was 4K. It could not handle it. It couldn't handle my video quality. I went on. I mean, it was taking hours to simply optimize the HDR video, which stank fat booty nuts. And I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to have to wait all that long, so I swapped over to DaVinci Resolve 19, not the 20 beta, and it's been working great. Like immediately I plugged that shit in there, it worked so smoothly. It buffered for like literally a second, and I've had zero issues with it, and I love it. And it's free. That's the best thing about it. CapCut, I used it on my mobile device, and it was all right. It did what it needed to. That's cool. The goon, the ghost of the goon. But it was all right. But DaVinci, I can happily say, is doing everything that I needed to as a beginner. And I will definitely be using it more in the future as I get more shit done. I would say poor car, but it's a Ford. Oh yeah, baby! The police are not going to like me if I do that more. So I'm gonna have to lay off that a little bit because there's laws. Hey, what's up, brother? I should probably. Oh my god. Okay, something that I don't like is so Samsung. I love Samsung. This is my S24 Ultra. Great, I love it. But what I don't like is that they updated the UI, and I liked the UI before. I thought it was great. I was very accustomed to it, and then now they changed it. And and I don't like it. They did some weird shit where it kind of looks like more bubbly, and it honestly kind of looks a little cheaper. So I really like the older UI. I haven't done too much research on it. Maybe, I don't think it's possible, but maybe they'll have like a way to switch back to the older UI. I don't think they'll have it, but I wish they did. Old Toyota. Man, I get such a girl boner for Toyotas. Especially the Sequoia. That's a V8 all-wheel drive. Damn, I like those. So there we go. That's so much better. Oh yeah. Straight shot. Left turn only, which means, oh no, it's gonna seem that I have to floor it to get in front of this gentleman to my right. God, I love this. Oh, dude, my gloves were soaked from yesterday. They're still pretty damn wet. I'm gonna be honest. You can kind of see the moisture on them. It's kind of gross, but I'm hoping today will kind of heat them up. I wore thermals yesterday, which worked great because it was cooler and the sun wasn't out. But I wore some thermal pants because I don't got any long johns. And yeah, brother. Oh, he didn't wave. I'm sad. I'm gonna go home and cry about it. Everyone asked me. Here, that's it. RKC, Rich Kramer. Kramer from Seinfeld. I love Seinfeld, dude. Seinfeld's so funny. I have been raised on Seinfeld. That's pretty good. Newman. I may or may not, allegedly, completely crashed it off of a mountain. And I totally shredded it, and then I rebuilt it. But then I didn't have the money at the time to completely rebuild the bike with new fairings. So I bought a totally blown up bike for $200, which was pretty much theft. Because I stole the tank, the levers, and the fairings from the that wasn't a good shift. From the from the bike, from the part bike. And I'm planning on rebuilding the 650 engine and throwing it in a go-kart. So that should be pretty fun. But yeah, I had to put some zip ties in it because he laid it over. I mean, he put the cheapest mods on it. The tires that he bought were only rated for 90 miles an hour. So yeah, obviously I hope he didn't do anything too crazy because he would have probably blown the tire. What's up, brother? Man, nobody wants to wave. Hey, Mustang man! Yeah. I have an idea. Oh yeah! What's up, brother? This is a pretty mundane ass drive, so I'm gonna skip the video ahead and I will wake y'all up when we get there. Just in case I don't miss anything, I'm gonna keep the film rolling and just have it spin up. So I'll see you when I get there. Lightning McQueen. The things I would do if laws didn't exist down this stretch of road. Damn. I gotta take a dirt bike down that bitch. I don't own a dirt bike, but I should. Goodbye, my friend. Hey. I wish this guy wasn't here so I could actually have some fun. Is that a fucking doom buggy? Oh shit. That's what I want to put the 650 engine into. Doom buggy. No, I'm not going that way. I want to go on the highway because it feels faster to me. I want to do it. I don't want to. We're going to turn. Okay. Thank you, sir. Now I can have some fun. This is where the fun begins. Great. They really updated it from the last time I was here. I mean, it looked all right. Wheeler Gardens looked all right. They really updated it. It's a lot better. Oh mein God. gotta be kidding me, bro. I'm so glad both trucks decided to team up and fuck all of us at the same time. If you guys ever wondered what it looks like when there's a highway that's cut off or not done, this is it. That's what it looks like. It's just straight up not fucking done. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I thought this was one lane. But yeah, pretty crazy. Which I think is always pretty nuts. Oh yeah, that was pretty cool. There's a lot of really cool ass scenery that I'm gonna try and highlight in the video. You know what's crazy? Whenever you learn more stuff about life and you look to yourself in the past, you're like, damn, I was the fucking problem. It's not a good feeling, but maybe that's why it's called growing, because you can reflect on your actions that you've done in your past, and you try not to let your past reflect your future. Stuff. Go to the goon! Go to the goon! Number 3! Cool stuff. I forgot what I was talking about. But, Ghost of the Goon. That's cool. Oh yeah. Alright, now I can see. Now I can see. Oh, now that is pretty. That is nice. Huh. I wonder if it's that cloud. Let's have We're now in Branson. Oh shit. For rent, the Jeep Grand Cherokee. I actually don't know if that's a Grand Cherokee, but I just know if it's a Jeep, those things failed the moose test. And it's one of the most unsafe cars. The moose test is whenever they have to swerve out into another lane and then back into it as if there was a moose in the road. And it blew the front tire. The front driver's side or front left tire that was taking all the weight whenever they were doing the swerving, it just blows up. I just noticed that. He's eating a burger. I forgot his name. Mucous Membrane. I don't know, the guy from Mucinex? I know he's a guy from Ghostbusters, but he reminds me so much of the Mucinex guy. Also, guess what happened? This little rubber thing was supposed to be right there, just came off. So I gotta replace that. Kind of a stinker, but it's alright. Ruby Tuesdays. I forgot that was the thing. Okay, I'm little hot. A little hot in this thing. I got my visor up now. It's getting a little, it's getting sticky. Getting sticky heat-wise, dude. Dun 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 dun. Getting basted, hot and fast. That's what they used to call me back in high school. Kid, no. Nope, I wish. Shoney's? Holy shit, what? There's a Shoney's? What the fuck? Shoney's? Oh my god, I gotta tell Rick about this. Oh my god, that's fucking crazy. Shoney's is alive? What? Oh, that's crazy. What? No! No! Yeah, that's pretty solid. I thought they were totally dead. Is that fucking Donald Trump? Holy shit. Was this a Trump store? Oh yeah, we have a Trump store around here. Pretty wild. Kind of ironic. It's probably a moneymaker. I'm gonna be honest though. In this area, probably makes it bangs. Bunks. Probably makes bank. Probably makes bands. I like combine the word bank and band. Is that an off-brand G-Wagon? It is. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Let's see what else is here. Panera Bread, pretty basic. Fuds. Alright. Slime Tropolis. Bro, I'm gonna take bro to Slime Tropolis and kill him. I'm kidding. I wouldn't do that. Mystery Machine. Off-brand Mystery Machine. A regular GMC. Jurassic Park. Alright. 6 legends in concert. How about I got 1 legend in my pants? I need to come up with better jokes. I mean, that ain't it. Uh, 1600. Oh, Fritz's Adventure. Fun fact: you can actually go there for free if you're under 18. If you're adopted. Pretty cool. I was able to go to that a lot for free. Pretty solid stuff. I enjoyed the hell out of it. The only thing is like a bit of a drive to get here, but very solid. I like the company. I like the place. It was a lot of fun to go to as a kid. Rock climbing. That place actually helped me get over my fear of heights, because I just kept going higher. Oh, I need a piss. Oh yeah. What's up, brother? Oh. Alright. Let me tell you, taking off these pantaloons to do a quick use in the bathroom while I got these gloves on, not ideal. Can't do it. It is hard. Alright. There we go, damn. Gotta get it perfect. There we go. Hey, yo. Well, guys, I guess that's it. That is. And I'm putting it on the wrong side. Man, I need to wake up. I feel foggy. Oh yeah. Alright, we are here. We've just passed the horrific area that has so much traffic. I'm pretty sure we're going to get into an area that still has a lot of traffic. I just kind of want to show you all around. Branson, Missouri. It's kind of mid. I mean, it's a city in Missouri, so you can't really, it's not like you're doing a lot there. But, hey, you know what? Oh shit, that's new. Well, I liked riding right through that area. That's stupid. That was right where, that was my perfect place to drive through. I like looking at all the shops driving through, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only unhappy one too, because I'm sure the businesses are getting hit. Yeah, that sucks though. Lord, sure, her head was like, I wonder if she has a neck problem, because her mouth was like open like a corpse when she was driving. So I do have my questions. I'll turn you guys back on if I see something interesting. If not, well, I'm cooked. My blinker was on this entire time. I think I need to drink another energy drink or something. Maybe eat some food. Is that a dog? That is a dog. Hey, buddy! Let's see. Roundabout City, dude. I want to drive right over that, but I can't. They knew someone was going to, so they blocked it. Oh, there's something in my eye. Hopefully I can't see. Dia, dia. Oh, dia, dia, da, da, da. Nonchalant Asian man? I wonder what ethnicity he is. Dude, I'm so tired. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna head home. I'm cooked. I'm exhausted. Why? Because I need actual food in my system and not just chicken patties. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go home, make some mac and cheese. More like Velveeta. Velveeta is better than mac and cheese. Kraft, better than Kraft. It tastes better. I like the shells. I like the shells. Elbows, they're not bad, but I like the shells better. I like the shells better. Frankly, the greatest shells I've ever had the pleasure of eating. No, he doesn't say pleasure. He doesn't appreciate anybody. Those shells were phenomenal. I cooked them. That makes me practically a chef. I'm actually gonna pull in here and put in my earbuds because I'm just gonna go home. Head on home. Oh yeah. On this little side road of nowhere, because I was told there's an underground road. Now this is crazy because I love tunnels, and I have not actually been through a true tunnel and been able to have fun with it. Let's check it out. Oh my God! Now that sounds fucking good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around right here. this footage later. There might be a cop coming. I was rev bombing in that tunnel. I wonder if he's gonna be coming up to me. Alright, well, I guess he's not here for me. Well, that's good. I thought he was, after he heard me. So, that's pretty great. I thought he was after me, but he is not, which is phenomenal. So, we're gonna hopefully see how this plays out. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. Hopefully. I'm gonna keep this on just in case. I don't think he's after me. That's great. See ya. There goes to the goon, brother.